Hello, Samurai Engineer Des. Ipa and George. This is day 12. Pipa is on her active self. Sitting on the Pipa is sitting on the where is Pipa sitting? Where is Pipa sitting on?
The hanger.
On the hanger or the hammock? Bird's hammock. Sitting on the bird's hammock.
Dad, can you do the Shanghai? Can you do the Shanghai, please? Mom, can you forget?
Are you full or not?
Not.
Because every day you don't finish your Shanghai. How many Shanghai do you want? You have to tell the truth because you are not finishing your Shanghai. Yesterday night you only ate 2 Shanghai. What about eat Shanghai tomorrow? Ipa is busy playing actively and George is trying to get a bit of food. So today George the one eating. Not Pipa, because usually for 11 days usually Pipa is the one eating,
Mama.
actively interacting with us. However, today Pipa seems busy on other things and George is the one.
I have a toothache.
Oh, that's the first seed for Pipa. Okay, see you again tomorrow for the continuation of our taming process. Hello!
Tweet sabi ng ibon.
Tweet ang sabi ng
Ibon.
okay. See you again, Chico Chan, tomorrow.
See you later.